Germany has ordered another batch of Brimstone missiles produced by Europe's top missile contractor, MBDA, thus closing a lasting framework agreement covering several thousand systems. The closing contract is worth €376 million, or the equivalent of $402.3 million, which will be allocated from special funds in the defense budget of the German Bundeswehr. The package also includes training missiles, launch and test equipment, as well as a set of training equipment and materials. Brimstone is a radar-guided air-to-surface missile. They are used to attack stationary and moving targets on land and over water from the air. Brimstone was originally intended for the British Royal Air Force. The first batch of their missiles was carried out in 2004 and then deployed from British Tornado GR-4 aircraft in 2005. Since then, the missiles have been used in operations in Afghanistan, Libya, Syria, and Iraq. Several European countries already operate this system from multinational Eurofighter Typhoon aircraft, including Spain and Germany. Global data reveals that the Luftwaffe currently operates 141 Typhoon 2000 units that were purchased and maintained between 2003 and 2021. Brimstone is a highly versatile fire-and-forget system with applications in all domains. The missiles have been launched via a variety of different platforms, including the Apache attack helicopter, the Boxer infantry fighting vehicle, and a number of unmanned aerial systems. In February 2024, the British Ministry of Defense donated 200 Brimstone anti-tank missiles to Ukraine, and the service is also pursuing their integration with mobile ground vehicles under the little-known Project Wolfram. Global data intelligence shows that MBDA Holdings SAS is expected to generate the highest accumulated revenue in Europe at $55.3 billion in 2023. The most widely used variant is Brimstone 2, whose value will more than double in the forecast period from $23 million to $47 million according to global data. However, the latest 3 version is also starting to experience development. 8 German and Spanish Eurofighters and 12 Tornadoes will take part in the international exercise, Pacific Skies 24, over the next 2 months. The event was a combination of several Air Force exercises involving the Air Forces of Germany, France, and Spain as European countries. German Tornado jets will begin low-level flying exercises in Alaska. This would be the last appearance of the German Tornado fleet on the international stage. Germany's decision to equip its Eurofighter fleet with the proven Brimstone missile marked a transition from the Air Force's aging, 93-strong PA-200 Tornado fleet, formed in early 1981.